Hey everybody, welcome to Opulent Flash. Are you ready to dream big? Because tonight, we're diving into a world of luxury that most of us can only imagine. We're talking billion-dollar experiences, the kind that make you feel like you're walking on the moon. Only the rich, famous, and wealthy can fathom these extravagant luxuries. From private space travel to owning your own island paradise, we're pulling back the curtain on how the other half lives. Get ready for some serious envy because these experiences are truly one of a kind. So buckle up because we're about to blast off into a world of extravagance. This is the Billion Dollar Club, and trust me, you won't want to miss a single minute. First up on our countdown of extravagance is something truly out of this world: private space travel. Imagine strapping into your own custom-designed spacecraft, blasting off from Earth and gazing out at the stars with only a select few by your side. We're talking about experiencing weightlessness, seeing the curvature of our planet, and feeling that adrenaline rush as you leave Earth's atmosphere behind. It's a journey that only a handful of people have ever experienced, and the price tag reflects that exclusivity. We're talking hundreds of millions of dollars per trip. Companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are making it possible for civilians to experience space travel, but it comes at a cost that would make even the wealthiest celebrities think twice. But hey, who needs a private jet when you can have a private spaceship, right? These space tourists are pioneers, pushing the boundaries of human experience and indulging in the ultimate adventure. They say money can't buy happiness, but it can buy you a ticket to space, and that's pretty darn close. From the meticulous training to the breathtaking views, private space travel is an experience that's truly priceless. So, are you ready to book your ticket to the stars? Let me know in the comments below if you'd be brave enough to blast off into the great unknown. Next up on our billion-dollar bucket list, we're trading in our spacesuits for swimsuits and heading to a tropical paradise. That's right, we're talking about owning your very own private island. Imagine waking up to the sound of the ocean, stepping out onto pristine white sand beaches, and having an entire island all to yourself. It's the ultimate escape from reality, a place where you can truly disconnect and live like royalty. We're talking lush rainforests, crystal clear waters teeming with marine life, and maybe even a volcano or two thrown in for good measure. These islands are like something out of a movie, and they come with a price tag to match. Celebrities like Leonardo DiCaprio and Johnny Depp have their own private islands, and it's easy to see why. It's the ultimate status symbol, a place where you can escape the paparazzi and live life on your own terms. But owning an island isn't just about luxury. It's about privacy and exclusivity. You can build your dream home, create your own rules, and invite only the people you want to share it with. It's like having your own little kingdom, a place where you can truly be yourself and enjoy the finer things in life. So if you're ever feeling stressed out, just close your eyes and imagine yourself on your own private island. It might be closer than you think, or maybe not, but hey, a little daydreaming never hurt anyone. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to set sail on the open ocean aboard some of the most luxurious vessels ever created, superyachts. These aren't your average boats. We're talking floating palaces, complete with helipads, swimming pools, and enough amenities to make a five-star hotel jealous. Imagine hosting parties on multiple decks, diving into the ocean from your private platform, or soaking up the sun in a jacuzzi overlooking the French Riviera. Super yachts are all about living large and making a statement, and they don't come cheap. We're talking hundreds of millions, even billions of dollars for the most extravagant ones. These floating mansions are owned by billionaires, royalty, and anyone else who can afford to cruise the world in ultimate style. From sleek and modern designs to classic and elegant aesthetics, super yachts are as unique as their owners. They're often custom-built to reflect the owner's personal taste, with features like concert halls, movie theaters, and even submarines for underwater exploration. But owning a super yacht isn't just about the boat itself, it's about the lifestyle that comes with it. It's about exploring exotic destinations, hosting lavish parties, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So if you ever get the chance to step aboard a super yacht, don't hesitate. It's an experience that will leave you speechless and longing for the open seas. All right, adventurers, it's time to dive deep into our next billion-dollar experience: personal submarines. That's right, we're talking about exploring the underwater world in your own private submersible, discovering hidden reefs and coming face to face with incredible marine life. Forget scuba diving, this is next-level ocean exploration. Imagine descending thousands of feet below the surface, surrounded by the silence of the deep sea and witnessing creatures that most people only dream of seeing. These aren't your average tourist submarines. We're talking state-of-the-art vessels with panoramic views, comfortable seating, and even champagne bars for celebrating those deep-sea discoveries. Owning a personal submarine is like having your own underwater research station, allowing you to explore the mysteries of the ocean at your leisure. It's a playground for the adventurous billionaire, a way to experience a part of our planet that few ever get to see. But it's not just about the thrill of exploration. It's also about the scientific discoveries that can be made. Personal submarines are being used to study marine life, map the ocean floor, and even search for shipwrecks. So if you're ready to embark on an underwater adventure of a lifetime, start saving those pennies, or maybe win the lottery a few times over. A personal submarine is the ultimate ticket to exploring the final frontier right here on Earth. Hold on to your berets, art lovers, because our final stop on this journey through billion-dollar luxuries takes us to the world of fine art. We're talking about owning masterpieces from legendary artists like Picasso, Van Gogh and Monet. The kind of paintings that belong in museums but grace the walls of private mansions instead. Imagine walking through your own home and being greeted by a priceless Van Gogh every morning, or hosting a dinner party with a Picasso as your backdrop. It's a level of sophistication and cultural capital that most of us can only dream of. We're talking about paintings that sell for hundreds of millions of dollars at auction. The kind of art that sets records and makes headlines around the world. Owning these pieces isn't just about having a pretty picture on your wall. It's about possessing a piece of history, a tangible representation of human creativity at its finest. But it's also an investment, a way to diversify your portfolio with assets that are as beautiful as they are valuable. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to say they own a genuine Picasso? Of course, owning these masterpieces comes with a responsibility to preserve them for future generations. These collectors often loan their pieces to museums around the world, sharing their love of art with the public and ensuring that these cultural treasures are enjoyed for centuries to come. So next time you're strolling through an art museum, take a moment to appreciate the masterpieces on display and imagine what it would be like to have one hanging in your living room. It's a nice dream, isn't it? Well, folks, that concludes our whirlwind tour of the most extravagant experiences money can buy. From space travel to private islands to owning priceless works of art, we've seen it all. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the most extravagant experiences money can buy. It's been a wild ride, and hopefully it's inspired you to dream big, even if your budget doesn't quite stretch to $1 billion just yet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible content. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars, and remember, anything is possible if you set your mind to it.